Good morning, everyone. This is tnog. I hope you all are having a beautiful morning. It is very nice. The weather is really good this morning. But I wanted to share with you all, I have 9 racks of plantains on my plants. And today I saw one rack that is turning yellow. Y'all see that? Because the plantains come on the plants at different times, of course, they will mature at different times. But this is the first rack I'm going to harvest for this season. I am excited. Now, what I would do is I'm going to eat 2 of these plantains this morning. Yes, I'm going to do that. But plantains turn sweeter when they are dark in color. Very, very dark. So the ones that I will not eat, I'm going to set them in my garage and they will turn that dark black. And then I will cook more. But we're going to eat 2 this morning. Yeah. But each rack of plantains, when it is ripened, like the one I just harvested, each plant will produce 1 rack. So when that rack is done, you should cut the plantain down that the rack came from. 1 rack, 1 plant. That plant will not develop another rack of plantains. As a matter of fact, that plant will die. So I'm going to cut it down, but I'm going to enjoy my plantains this morning. So these are my white potatoes that I planted, and they are doing really good. The cold weather did not bother them at all, which is great. Now, baby, I'm looking for the flowers. I'm looking for the flowers now. Yeah. This is one of my little raised beds, and I dropped seeds in the cups and they are growing beautifully. Also, I dropped some radish. I'm not big on radish, but I do have a recipe and I want to try before I give up on radish totally, right? So they're doing really good and I'm looking forward to them. I don't need them to get very big. I just want a little bump, just a little bump. But as you can see, I have garlic growing all over this bed. And the seedlings, they've just been right here and they're doing really good. Yeah. I have lots of ripe figs on the tree. This is the Black Mission. There it is there. There's a bunch of them on here that is ripe. And I need to get them. But when you have not been in your garden for a while, things just kind of go wild. And look at this one. Lemon, hey, what up? What up? You good? So this is my huge plant. I think it's a Romanesco. It's very, very big. It's in a Katrina brick. She is huge, but she have not shown who she is yet. But yeah, she'll be showing herself soon. She is one big girl. She's a big girl. Yeah. So here's some of my purple mustards, and there's collards in this bed, and my carrots and weeds. take this up. Yeah, a lot of them I just haven't pulled up because I don't want to interrupt the carrots, you know. but they doing good. Yeah, that's them. So I just watered these so they are all laying over, but these are calendulas. And of course, that's a Xena. And there's garlic in this bed too, but it's calendula and garlic. Yeah. And this is my bed with broccoli, mustards, cabbage, and collards. There's a cabbage back there that needs to be harvested. Yeah. Yeah. And over there, there's some more collards in the Katrina bricks over there. But everything is doing good. I have some peppers over here I need to harvest. Y'all see them? They're really pretty. Hopefully my little sister come sometimes next week to harvest. If not, I'm going to harvest these greens out of 3 of these beds. I'm going to clean them and chop them up and bag them up. And when she comes, all she have to do is pick them up, baby. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah, that'll be really cool. Let's see what this plant is. Hold on, y'all. So this is that cabbage. It is big, very big and healthy. I have more in there, and this plant here. Yeah, she's really cool. But this is, I don't know if you can see it really good. That's another tatsoi I have. She's gorgeous. This tatsoi. Wait, let me try to get this sun out the way. Check out this tatsoi. Isn't she beautiful, y'all? So this is lemongrass next to it. And she is big and beautiful. So I'm gonna harvest a lot of her tomorrow because we are going to eat it as a salad, part of a salad for tomorrow by Jody's house. And there's another one back there. You see her? Yeah, so I have 3 nice big tatsois. This is the smallest one. And this is the biggest of the tatsois. They're really pretty and good. They good. Let's see what we got here. You make sure we ain't got no protein in there. Oh my God, she's so good. I like the stem more. I like the stems more than I like the little cups, but Jody like all of it, right? But I like it. It is so sweet. Now, it could be juicy because I just watered everything, family. But they're really pretty. So I have some peppers over here. They are black. I'm sorry. But I don't know if you can see this. She red. So I'm gonna get those. Yeah. So I have 4 Japanese berries, but loquides. There's 4 of them in here. And as you can see, they're really getting big. I need to take some of those bad leaves off. It's just because of the weather, but it won't hurt them one bit. They're gonna continuously grow, but I need to put mine, the one I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna put it in the ground. But wow, look at those bell peppers, y'all, from this side. They look really good.
I need to harvest. That's what I need to do. Let me see. There they are. Yeah, I'm a harvest. Y'all see these bees playing all around me. Look at that. They love this salvia. Absolutely. But anyway, let me go in, y'all. I'm going inside. What I need to, before I go, I need to give those Katrina bricks colored some 511 and super juice. Let me do that. So this is some collards I have in 3 Katrina bricks. Now I see something here that I hadn't seen. Y'all see that? Yeah, they've been tagging them, baby. I don't know where you came. Oh, I see him, y'all. You see him hanging? You see him swinging? Yeah. Come on, baby. Fertilize the soil for me now. Do it now. Thank you. No, I ain't gonna cuss. And I have some parsley in here. Of course, this is garlic. And I think I put about 2 cloves in each cell with them. And as you see, she still got in there. But overall, they're really doing good. Here's some more parsley in there with them right here. But they're doing good. I got some 511 here. I'm gonna give them a little bit before I go in this bed. And tomorrow, I'm gonna feed 2 beds at a time. That's it. I gotta go slow, y'all. So I'm gonna take 2 beds at a time and I'm gonna feed them like that. Yeah. But that's them. They collards. Yeah. All right. They all got some 511 super juice. And I went over there and I harvested these peppers. Yeah. This is gonna be a part of tonight's meal. So I'm gonna fry some chicken wings tonight, and I'm gonna have some corn and rice. And for some reason, I want some sweet potatoes. So I have 2 sweet potatoes I'm gonna cook. Yep, and I'm gonna fix my friend a plate. Then gonna get a plate of food too. That's gonna be after the live. But I'm gonna prep everything before the live. So when I finish, all I gotta do is just put it together, baby. Because I get so hungry after the live. I be so hungry, y'all. All right, I hope to see you all on the live. Later, y'all.